It's Friday, November 1st, 2024, 8:52 a.m. Eastern. First trading day of a new month. Hopefully we'll get off to a good start here. I had a terrible October. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return when I see a possible trade. CDXC, currently the top gainer, up 42%. It does have good news on it. It just had a positive third quarter earnings report. High of day is 508. Keep my eyes open and I'll return. I'm in CDXC with 40 shares with an entry price of 517. Trying to move up. Nice move there. And I'm getting out. Let's go take a look at this. Okay, a green trade, a $5 bill, up $5.19. That's a 2.34% gain on that trade. I was in this trade almost 30 minutes. As a scalp trader, this felt like an eternity. Since I'm not running a stop loss or a take profit order, I'm just using the buy and sell buttons, trading straight. It really felt like a long time. Just to do a quick recap, I got in back here on this candle and I held throughout this downward movement, this rug pull. It was tracking VWAP. I held through all of this stuff and I got out somewhere around in here at $5.30. It did touch 550 for the high, but it was holding as a top gainer throughout all this. And it had good news. I just had a feeling it was going to come back after I entered in here. So this, I have not held this long and throughout this kind of stuff since I can remember. But I had faith in it and I held on and it worked out. So I'll take that for the first trade of the month. Green is green. And I want to thank you for watching and let's do this again next Monday.